Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to rotate an image on hover using JavaScript. As you can see, I got an image here. Now when I will take my mouse over this image, it will rotate in a clockwise direction around 45 degree. So this is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. I already got an image file here, image.jpg. Let's create an index file, index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Also add a script file at the bottom. It will be script.js. Here we only need an image element. Remove this attribute. Source will be image.jpg. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select image element. Give it a height of 300 pixels. Width will be same, 300. Display will be block. Margin will be 100 pixel in auto. Border will be 1 pixel solid white. Border radius will be around 5 pixels. Also, to have a slight animation effect, we'll use a transition property here. So it will be transform 0.5 second ease. Also add a class here. It will be rotate. We'll use this class to rotate the image using JavaScript. So here we have to use transform and the rotate function. I want to rotate it in a clockwise direction around 45 degree. So I'll pass 45 degree here. Save it. Open this file in the browser to see the output. And this is the output. Now let's work on the script file. Create script.js here. Select image element. Selected by the tag, which is img. Now here we need to add two event listeners to image element. The first will be mouse over and the second will be mouse out. So let's add them. So let's make it mouse over. This event will be triggered when I will take my mouse over the image. In that case, I would like to add a class that is rotate to this image element. For that, I have to use image element first. Then there is a class list property and add method. And I'll pass class name, which is rotate. Copy it, paste it here. The next event is mouse out. So when I'll take my mouse off, I would like to remove this class. So that's all what you need to rotate an image using JavaScript. Now just save it, go to browser. Now take your mouse over the image. You can see it is working. In a similar way, if you want to rotate the image in an anti-clockwise direction around 45 degree, you can simply put a minus sign just before it. So it will be minus 45 degree. Save it. Now go to browser. Now take your mouse over the image and you can see now it is getting rotated in an anti-clockwise direction. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.